Welcome to Folsom Lake RV. Let us share you views of one of the highest quality units available in our inventory. This beautiful travel trailer comes equipped with queen-size bed, living area television, double bed bunks, and sleeps up to 8 people. Folsom Lake RV has been in business since 1983. We've always been family owned and operated, and we know that buying an RV is a big decision. Our dedication to service, quality, and selection can assist you in making your buying decision easy. Talk with one of our knowledgeable staff and discover our hassle-free and pressure-free shopping experience that makes the buying process easy, fast, and more importantly, fun. You'll never spend more than 30 minutes making a deal. We believe buying an RV should be fun and easy. Folsom Lake RV, we specialize in fun. Visit us today at 11373 Folsom Boulevard, Rancho Cordova, or folsomlakerv.com.